Hello everybody, we are back at Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World. Today is Memorial Day and it's a pretty big holiday weekend here in the United States. A lot of kids have off of school, a lot of people have off of work, a lot of businesses are closed. It's a federal holiday. So typically most tourist attractions across the US on this weekend are pretty crowded. But we're here at Magic Kingdom to have a wonderful day and see what we can get done and what we can do, what the crowds are like, what the vibe is like, and just enjoy a lovely holiday weekend. And of course, share it with you. So let's go. It's also become a day that's sort of synonymous with kicking off the summer holidays. It's that breaking point between spring and summer where you just know it's time. I'm kind of shocked at how this is looking, but very pleasantly and happily surprised. Rarely do you see this. No huge line for the photographer in front of the train station. This is great. I think it might be Festival of Fantasy time right when we walk in. So we may just, Tiana and Naveen. Watch this for a second before we can move along. Amazing. We're just catching the tail end. Hopefully we'll see Maleficent breathe fire. That'd be a great way to start the day. I'm honestly, normally though, this area for this Festival of Fantasy Parade is slammed and there's actually open space. This is pretty doggone amazing. I love that. This float's awesome. Maleficent's head is kind of down in this weird position and that's not normally how it is. So I'm thinking maybe the fire's not happening because of what happened in Disneyland. We'll see. It kind of looks like it's not doing it. But look at Flora, Fauna, and Merryweather. Like the whole thing's not moving. Huh.
Looking right at me.
Normally it's like there's a lot more movement. The tail's moving at least. It's still so incredibly cool looking. See, when that noise happens, normally like a lot going on. Aww. That looks so fun. I've always wanted to sit up there in those swings. I don't think I've ever gotten to see their costumes this close up.
I've never been that close to that parade.
Me neither. That was great. Even when we're up here, I don't feel like we're as close.
Yeah.
That was really, really cool. And Mickey was like, check this view out of Main Street USA and the castle. This is a pretty low crowd day in my opinion.
Yeah.
This is so surprising and so cool. The Main Street Philharmonic's out playing. This song is everything. We came in, the Festival of Fantasy Parade was happening, the Main Street Philharmonic, who just seeing like a marching band playing those classic Disney songs like When You Wish Upon a Star, it's like, it's all Disney magic, right?
I mean, right in the field.
Let's try to ride something first. We're gonna look at the tip board. We're not using Genie Plus today, but we're gonna use the free version of Genie and we're gonna look at the tip board and see what has a short line and go ride it. So let's go. What, Sam?
I don't understand.
What is
Memorial Day supposed to be packed?
It usually is. This is unheard of.
I guess it's a combination of like blockout day.
Yeah.
People expecting it to be busy.
Mm-hmm. Huh? Maybe so many people thought oh, Memorial Day is busy, we'll do something else, and they didn't come. Haha! Winnie the Pooh! Winnie the Pooh's still here. These golden 50th anniversary statues, as far as I know, are the last vestiges of Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary, and hopefully soon we'll see some more 100th anniversary stuff happening. Honestly, when crowds are low like this, it makes it so much more pleasant and enjoyable to be here. Now, don't get me wrong, it's enjoyable to be here no matter what, but it's just more enjoyable. Let us in. Here's an idea of what the wait times look like right now. Like, this is not bad at all. And the virtual queue for Tron is still open in the afternoon. Like, this is, wow. Look at how cute Aladdin and Jasmine are out. There's not a huge line for them either right now. Oh my, Captain! We're here to ride the high seas with you. We'll bring you some rum later, but right now.
I feel like the tides are quite low for you to voyage quickly.
Okay, we will.
What?
I guess that's gonna determine what we're riding. He said the tides were low, meaning the line is short of pirates, so that's what we gotta do. I mean, Captain Jack Sparrow said we had to. Hi! Are you kidding me? I'm sorry if this entire vlog is just me being incredulous, but this is absolutely absurd. Just wow. There's always that moment of like your eyes adjusting when you go into a dark ride.
This is not how I expected today to be.
We thought today's gonna be so crowded, we're just gonna take it. Oh, aside it. Oh my God. I was expecting to go through the switchbacks and we didn't even go through them. But yeah, we were like, all right, we're just gonna take it easy. We're gonna be ready and prepared for the crowds. This I was not ready and prepared for though. Just walking right through with no, what? What? Low tides. The seas are gonna be kind today, my friends. We got the back row. Oh yeah, baby.
You know this song, Tiana? Feel free to join in anytime.
Always love riding pirates. This is one of my favorite rides in all of Walt Disney World, and one of my favorite rides ever, honestly, a slow-moving boat ride with gorgeous, artfully created animatronics. They still look so good. They look like different characters, story-driven, beautiful sets, beautiful smells. I just got back from Disneyland a bit ago, and I know they have a longer version and some cool scenes at the end and the beginning and more than we have, and that's awesome for them, and I do enjoy theirs, but this is the one I grew up going to, so this will be my forever favorite. Since it's really, really hot out today, we went to Sunshine Tree Terrace, and I got the I Lava You float, and Sam, what'd you get? The
Orange cream float.
And then we also got the pot stickers, which are delicious, a little snack. But they're all melting everywhere because it's so hot. So we're gonna try to find a spot and have them not melt all over us. This is melting really fast, so I gotta get to it, but it's got pop rocks and they like erupt like a volcano. It's really cute, and it's named after that Disney short with the I Love You song, and it's delicious. It's got Fanta in it and Dole Whip, and it's so good. And the pot stickers at Sunshine Tree Terrace are one of my favorite little savory treats here at Magic Kingdom. We're sharing them right now, and this is one of my favorite sweet treats, so this is very, very nice. This is a treat for me, double treat. Yummy. The dipping sauce is like a sweet glaze, and I really feel like these are an underrated treat here at Magic Kingdom that everyone should try and love, so they stay forever. Oh my gosh, he's selling sunglasses now. Exiting Adventureland and coming out to the hub here, this is a beautiful sight to see, I tell you what. Not just the castle, which yes, is beautiful, and this is our first time looking at it without the 50th anniversary decorations. But like, look at this. Incredible. Unbelievable. Where is everybody?
I don't know, but
I'm not complaining.
this is like the opposite of the day we had at Disneyland recently.
Yes, it is. And I didn't vlog that day, but we had the most crowded day at Disneyland recently with family. I did vlog the rest of the trip though, so check all that out. What is this?
I don't know.
I don't know, but I love it.
This is not how I expected it to be today.
Walk right down the middle of Main Street, USA. There's also a lot of PhotoPass photographers out today. And look at the Main Street photographers have their own costume, because all the PhotoPass recently got a new green costume, but they had these cool old school style Main Street USA ones. Here at the Emporium, they have these beautiful 100 Years of Wonder window displays. Oh, those are so pretty. They add a little chandelier in. Look how pretty those are. Huh. Something a lot of people may not know about is something they do here at Magic Kingdom every day, which is the flag retreat, and they pick a veteran of the day and they do a beautiful little ceremony. I've watched it many times. I really, really love it. But on Memorial Day, sometimes they make it a little extra special. So we're gonna watch it today and just honor whatever veteran they choose. And of course, all veterans, my dad's a veteran too, and just see what little special thing they do. Looks like they're getting things ready. It looks like they've already picked the veteran and they're standing and waiting. And we're on the second floor of the train station, so hopefully this is a nice view. All right, we can see something beginning. Yep, it looks like Reedy Creek Fire in their formals.
To join us in Town Square in just a few minutes for our flag retreat ceremony. Once again, please join us in just a few minutes in Town Square for our flag retreat ceremony. Thank you.
And on behalf of the Main Still Philharmonic, our Magic Kingdom Security Color Guard, and Main Street Operations, we are pleased and proud to welcome you to today's flag retreat ceremony here in Town Square. Our flag retreat ceremony is one of our original Magic Kingdom traditions, and we are honored you have taken time out of your day to become part of that tradition with us. Today, here at the Magic Kingdom, we are celebrating Memorial Day. We are honored to be joined today by our very own first responders here at Walt Disney World and the color guard detail from the Reedy Creek Fire Department. Let's give them a warm welcome. And now, please join us in singing God Bless America.
Always gets me a little emotional. I try to just kind of show you and not talk or anything over it and sing along very quietly so that you could hear it. We are up on the train station floor and there's different places you can view the flag retreat ceremony. Normally it's 5 p.m. every day, but check the schedule if you want to see it to make sure, because it may change, and if it does, I wouldn't want you to miss it. There you go. I hope you enjoyed that. Now we're going to continue on our day and do some more stuff. And since we're back up in this part of the park, I think we're gonna pop into Town Square Theater and meet Mickey Mouse. So let's see, Mr. Toad's supposed to be in here now. He used to be in a shop, but they moved him here. I'm really glad he's still here. It does look like there's a little bit of a line, but I mean,
not one.
They haven't brought Tinkerbell back though for her meet and greet here in Pixie Hollow. You see? That line.
It's empty.
Whoa.
A mouse who knows.
We're going to meet Mickey the Magnificent in his magician form. I think this is going to be my first time using the like PhotoPass box here instead of having a PhotoPass photographer. So they have those little like wires that light up to let you know. Interesting. Camera's right up there. Mickey the Magnificent! I love to see you back here.
Alright, let's look right over here and smile big for Mickey's camera. Right over here. We'll do one more. Just wait for the flash, alright? Look right over here. There we go.
Thank you, Mickey. Keep making magic. Oh, there it is. Huh. Let me try two. Isn't that interesting? Alrighty. Thank you. Huh. Whoop, that's the wrong way. It's a new procedure with the box, and I think we all definitely prefer a human being with a camera. But, you know, Mickey's always fun no matter what.
You know, it's a box.
Check this out. This is the first I've seen of these, the Coca-Cola and the Disney 100 bottle. So we're gonna get a Coke Zero, which is also in the Disney 100 bottle. Nice. Well, that was fun. I really do hope they bring back a human PhotoPass photographer, because there is a human in there anyway, a cast member pressing a little button to make the box take the photo. So, you know, but anyway. Beautiful, beautiful afternoon, and we're gonna continue on our way. We came back around, and just from here we can see the construction going on Tiana's Bayou Adventure, and it looks like a lot with the rock work and the scaffolding. Let's get a little closer. We don't have an opening date yet, but it looks like work is progressing pretty rapidly and smoothly, so very excited for that. Look at the posters up on the construction wall. Tiana's Foods, employee owned, coming soon, and Southern Dome Salt Company, Louisiana. As soon as I get any new information about Tiana's Bayou Adventure, I'll share it with you. But for now, we know kind of what characters we're gonna see and overall what kind of story it's gonna be. And I think it's gonna be beautiful and really fun, and I'm really excited. Wow, very exciting, yeah.
I do not remember the last time I waited for this in standby.
No, me neither. We've done Lightning Lane, but now we're gonna do standby Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. 25 minutes. 25 minutes, if that's accurate, is not bad. Sam!
We found gold!
It's gold! You struck it rich. We're gonna ride the wildest ride in the wilderness. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. The cool thing about the standby line is you get some good views. Look at all the coins out here. People are treating this like a wishing fountain. Isn't that funny? And you have all the interactive things you can play with, and here the canary. Smell, see?
It does smell like fire.
Oh, auto canary. Wait, this? Oh yeah, look. There's the canary. I mean, yeah, I see it. It's been like what?
15 minutes.
15 minutes in line, and we're about to board. All right, we're getting in 15, back row.
If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, just remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
Back row, that's what it is. Yeah. I was flying all around. We love Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. It's always fun. And if you want it to be a little bit of a wildest ride in the wilderness, hop in the back row. A little bit of an extra jostle around there. Good times. Through the clearing, over the rivers of America, over the rope bridge on Tom Sawyer's Island, I see a manor. A mansion, perhaps. Maybe it's haunted. We should definitely go investigate. We were just talking about how this is such a perfect day to not have to use Genie Plus. And it was $25 per person today, so it would have been $50 for us both to use it. It can be really worth it. Using Genie Plus, we've used it here, we've used it at Disneyland, and yeah, you really can make the most of your day in the sense that you can ride so many things and not have to wait an hour. But on a day like today, if you luck out and have those low crowds, which we did not expect, you can have like an old school Disney day where you just do the park in a logical order. You're not zigzagging around, which Genie Plus will often necessitate. Like, oh, it's time for our lightning lane, let's go over here, let's go over there. You're kind of zigzagging. It's so nice to just do the park in order. Just go around. And if you zigzag, it's because you chose to zigzag, not because you have to meet a time, and to be able to go with the flow. And if we want to stop, we can stop. We don't have times booked for anything except for our Tron boarding group, which we're very excited for, which is actually coming up soon. Did I mention we got a Tron boarding group? Yeah, we did crazy. We got it like around 4 for later in the evening, but it just makes me miss the way we used to do Disney, and it's really nice that there are still days like this, and I'm sure this isn't the only day. Oh, right as we were leaving, we caught the beginning of the Adventure Friends Cavalcade. How cool! Here we go! Ah! Amazing! Thank you, Woody! Oh my God! Thank you! Oh, very fantastic! The amigos! Stitch! And Max! Oh my gosh! Mary Poppins! She's practically perfect. Oh my goodness. And that's it. It's a little cavalcade. It's not a full parade. It's jam-packed with characters, and I friggin' love it. I love it. Amazing. Turk gave me like a kiss, and like, Turk was my best friend, not just Tarzan's best friend.
Yeah.
Wow, that made my day.
Stumbling into everything today.
This is the best. Today's the best. Look at the Liberty Bell. It doesn't look packed. Amazing. Beautiful. Standby line for Haunted Mansion looks very long. I don't know. Let's see. We'll decide when we get closer. It says 35. That is a little steep, but I guess we will just do it. We're not even going into the extended queue. I love all the puns and all the references to Imagineers, and of course Leota.
Party wait here.
When hinges creak in doorless chambers, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the halls, that is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with foolish delight. Foolish mortals, to the haunted mansion. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation.
Mind your step. Thank you.
We're in.
It was only 11 minutes, and that includes a stretching room.
And marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. Every room has wall-to-wall windows, hot and cold, and chill.
Toads in a pond, regions beyond. Give us a hint by ringing a bell.
In your doom body, we will continue our tour in just a moment.
No!
The spooks have interrupted our tour.
No!
Please remain seated.
Isn't that comfortable?
No, we're like leaning backwards.
In just a moment.
He does the hat tip like me. Yay, fun! I love Haunted Mansion. Probably favorite ride of all time. It was my first like favorite ride. And I love when they have a photo pass photographer stationed outside and they take fun pictures of you with the hitchhiking ghosts and different like poses and stuff with the Haunted Mansion. And of course you can't forget the pet cemetery, the animal graveyard where Mr. Toad, yep. And all sorts of fun things in there. Lead the way, Sam.
Alright, follow me.
And don't miss Rapunzel's tower as you're leaving the Haunted Mansion to head into Fantasyland. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. And the Rapunzel restrooms, which have so many cool little Easter eggs. Like over here, the frying pan. This area is themed so cutely. And look, Kingdom staff only for the cast member door. And the women's restroom sign has a little crown and the long flowing hair that goes all the way around. Just tons of cool little things. Walking through Fantasyland, normally totally a bottleneck. Right now, very pleasant and very nice. Yet Peter Pan's flight is still at 50 minutes. This ride just always has a really long line. It just is what it is. Cinderella's carriage is out for photos with a photo pass photographer. Maybe we'll get some later. It's so pretty. And since we're here and it's about dinner time, we're gonna pop into Pinocchio Village Haus. Am I going the right way? Yes. Service options here at Magic Kingdom, Pecos Bill is probably my favorite, and then Pinocchio Village Haus is a second, only because of the flatbread and the cute Pinocchio theming, which I love Pinocchio, but the flatbread is just simple, it's cheesy, it does the job, bread, cheese, sauce, you know, I don't ask for a lot when it comes to that, but it tastes good and it does the job. They have a simple salad we also had, which was good, and yeah, you know, easy peasy. Okay, what are we looking at here? Still really, really nice. Low wait times, and even the big rides like Seven Dwarfs Mine Train is 60, which is just normal. It's just always gonna be that. Virtual queue is closed. They're calling 142 to 160. We have 175, I think, so soon. And it's slowly turning to dusk. It's looking beautiful out. Welcome to the 100-acre wood. Just to enjoy.
They look like they're a hard read.
Very good. I think I've depleted my supply of honey, but you know, there's always honey somewhere.
You're the honey.
Sam, care for a spot of tea?
As long as I can spin it.
Just a little, okay? Just a little.
Welcome to the tea party.
I like not spinning, just let it chill. I like spinning as fast as I physically can turn. Exactly what a tea party's like at my house.
Well, kind
of. Mayhem.
I just have to pay a quick visit to Sunny Eclipse here in Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe. Love them. Heading into Tomorrowland now. 25-minute wait for Space Mountain. Let's do it. Everything's been close to spot on with the wait times, but actually a little bit less. Like Thunder Mountain was maybe 15 minutes instead of 35, so actually a lot less. Look at this. Are we in the right line? This is a new-ish thing, and they're asking you to not have these things in your hand. So I'm gonna put it away. We're gonna ride and enjoy. Anyway, the ride is pitch black, so it's not like you'd see anything. I have shown this ride hundreds of times. So we're gonna enjoy it. Here comes our ride. And now we exit into the newly revamped shop that is full of Tron merchandise. Yeah, it looks really cool in here, doesn't it? It actually looks better, I'm gonna say. Looks really nice. Yeah. Speaking of Tron though, our boarding group's been called. Oh my gosh. This is going to be our first time riding Tron at night. It looks so cool. Wow. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Nice. Looks so good at night. Wow. Look at how the canopy, like the lights move and dance to the music.
Hey Siri, set lights to pub.
Ooh, wow. Oh my gosh. It goes with the music. Awesome. We didn't expect to be able to ride this today since we got here in the afternoon and we thought it'd be crowded. We thought no chance, but we got a boarding group. It's been called, it's time to ride. I didn't bring the whole GoPro chest mount this time like I did the last two times. So if you want to see like our POV ride-throughs, they're in my last Tron video and I'll link that. But right now we're gonna ride and I'll show you like the cube. I'll show you everything up until I put you in a locker, and I'm just so excited to ride at night. Look at how cool it looks at night. Oh my goodness. I love the music too, of course. It's beautiful with that sunset.
Roller coaster type ride in the dark. Users be warned. For your safety, remain seated on your light cycle at all times. Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Oh, look at all the smudges from people touching it.
Conjure and onto the grid. Team Blue must pass through 8 energy gates before their opponents. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory. In the Lightcycle Run, there are winners and there are losers. Who are you?
Winner. Okay. All right, very, very long line in there. We are finally close to boarding. The loading procedure here is one person loads from the front, one person goes around and loads on the other side. You get tucked in. We're almost about to go. All right, we're loading. And then there's a compartment in the front to put your stuff in. So I'm gonna put my phone in there and then I'll see you after. Okay. Woo! Done did it. Fun. dun 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 dun. Whoa. Honestly, Tron is such a fun roller coaster. It is really short, but it's really fun and thrilling. The bank turns are really fun. You feel like, whoa! The launch is really fun too. The outside bit at night, fantastic. Fantastic with the lit up canopy. Beautiful, really, really fun and cool. I still find the seats slightly uncomfortable, like leaning forward like that. Slightly uncomfortable, but it's not that bad, and honestly the ride's like less than 2 minutes, so you know, it's worth it for something fun and different, and it is probably the most thrilling ride here at Magic Kingdom. I'd say, I think so. Do you agree? Disagree? Let me know. Very, very cool, very beautiful ride area, music, canopy, all of it. And I love how through the canopy you get views of Space Mountain and Tomorrowland, Astro Orbiter, like that is cool. Just awesome. Yeah, at night, this is the ride to ride at night, 100%. All right, it's time to make our way back to the front of the park. Beautiful views, just amazing. Thank you too.
Thanks for coming in today and spending some time with you in the Magic Kingdom. We did. You had a wonderful, magical day.
We did.
Had a great time together with your family. And when you stop there, just remain there till you get each other and cross the road on the other side. Ladies, welcome aboard.
Ahoy, mates, and welcome aboard the Admiral Joe Fallon. We will be arriving at our destination in just a few moments.
That looks awesome.
On our way, we will travel 1 mile across the man-made 7 Seas Lagoon, which took almost 3 years to excavate. We do ask that while on board, the stairs remain clear while the boat is in motion. Once again, welcome aboard.
What a fun and unexpectedly pleasant day here at Magic Kingdom. We really came out thinking it's gonna be a holiday, it's gonna be crowded, and we are mentally prepared for it, ready to have fun no matter what, because honestly, you can have fun whether it's crowded or not, and if it was crowded, we were ready to buy Genie, although you should buy it the night before and be using it since 7 a.m., but you know, We were ready to play it by ear, but we came out and it was just so unexpectedly not crowded that it made it just so easy and chill and wonderful. And it's a different kind of fun, and one that I kind of missed, and it just felt really, really good to be here for that. And now the fireworks have ended and people are flooding out, so we gotta get out of here. But I hope you enjoyed spending the day with us at a very different kind of holiday here at Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World, and soon we'll show you lots of more things going on here in Orlando, of course, all of our travels and all of that. So thank you for being there with us for all those things. I love doing this and I love sharing it with you. So thanks for hanging out with us today. I'm sending you a ton of love. We'll see you for the next video. Got some fun things coming up, and until then, as always, stay enthused. Bye.